Ever notice how worry and misery are able to show up uninvited in your life? You don't need to try, just let your mind wander and worries magically appear. Happiness, on the other hand, that feels like hard work. Why is that? Well, it's because the human brain is wired to pay more attention to negative thoughts and events. This is called the negativity bias. It's a built-in survival mechanism that keeps us alert to danger or anything that could go wrong. So you see, our default is not happiness, it's vigilance. That's why worrying and comparing feel automatic, while happiness, on the other hand, that feels like hard work. Let me give you an example. I want you to think of your mind as a garden. If you do nothing, weeds grow, right? But flowers, they need care, water, sunlight, attention. It's the same with misery and happiness. Misery is the weed that grows on autopilot, whilst happiness is the flower that blossoms when you nurture it. This doesn't mean that happiness is unnatural. It simply means that it is unfamiliar. You see, our mind isn't trained to focus on what is going well in our life. So happiness shows up when we become intentional in how we think. So the next time that you catch yourself spiraling, pause and plant a better thought. Even something as simple as I'm breathing right now, I'm alive, or today I have another chance. Each time you do this, you're teaching your brain to choose calm over chaos. This is called neuroplasticity. In doing so, you're literally rewiring your mind. So when happiness feels hard, remember, it's not hard, you just lack practice. The more you choose it, the more natural it becomes. If this resonates and you're ready to shift those mental habits, then let's connect. Together, we'll uncover what's keeping you stuck and how to move past it. So until then, I wish you well and may your best inner thoughts be with you. Assalamu alaikum and bye for now.